do the...
Alright, so we're... Doesn't have a dirty lens cap here. So we're here in Taipei at the Tour of Taiwan. Now the race hasn't started, but we're going to do a bit of a race before the race. So we've got some bikes on the ground here. So this is one of the spare bikes, and building that is going to be Anthony Giacoppo.
In the left corner.
And in the other corner we have Neil Walker, who's actually, he's the mechanic of the team. He's a little bit older, so we've given him a stand just to help him out because his back gets a bit sore. So AJ, to be fair, has worked in bike shops, so this, you know, this is a fairly high level competition. So basically, there's no more rules, guys, so go! You can see Walker's glasses there. Walker's going the stem first. AJ also going the stem. Now you've just got one tool there, AJ. Would you prefer a set or is one quicker?
Oh, I just got to work with what I've been given.
Yep.
I'm not as lucky as Neil. Neil's definitely scored rather well here. It's got the stand, it's got all the tools.
Audio's not going to pick up too well.
But I reckon we'll still get him, because he's old.
Just getting his pedals on and just tweaking everything up, because we don't want someone coming off and their pedals dropping off in the middle of a race.
Very good. And has AJ got any real chance here, Walker? Or
Look, AJ's a fairly quick boy. He's a sprinter, so he knows a thing or two about speed. And,
I'm not surprised. He's gone out very fast.
Yeah.
Do you think he'll fatigue later on?
That's the old young bull, old bull story. You know, they always want to go out fast and do everything, but an old bull just does things at a bit of pace. Bad tactics with player. See? That's what happens when he realises he's losing. Bad tactics, like shouldering someone in a sprint.
Desperation.
What is going on there?
AJ's getting very close here. AJ's got it! Oh. Andrew, quick inspection. Oh, Walker's got the torques here.
This is not straight, so it needs to be redone. Looks like the headset's too loose. No rush, they don't do much of a job, do they?
You reckon a bit of rushing here, Andrew?
Too much rushing. Lack of any quality control here.
Tell you
AJ's
what,
getting close though.
better hope there's no problems with any of the race bikes.
They both finished about the same time.
So Walker's finished.
So we'll just see whether we're happy with this.
Mine was the long finish before this.
Nice inside. Just let go of that, Walker. We can't have your influence in the decision. Yeah, seat straight. Yeah, nice and tight. The back wheel's not in straight.
AJ's just bolted. He's gone.
not doing it straight.
Tampering. There's been some serious tampering here.
Yes,
Mine's in and my tyres are even going to be hard. You definitely lose, Walker.
Neil, you needed to find another pump. Well,
yes.
So Andrew, who's the winner?
look, I reckon it's definitely AJ. He got the bike done first, then we added with the pump up the tyres. AJ found the pump, got the job done. Walker, well, he's just trying to find his glasses. He hasn't really got much of a clue, but he is old, so we'll give him that. But well done, AJ.
Thanks. Just put the money
Winner.
in the bank